In this Blender tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can subtract from your 3D scan mesh with the Boolean tools inside Blender to make a more manageable form and to have a flat bottom. This is a 3D scanned mesh made with a structured light scanner, but I want to have just the neck and not the shoulders. In order to do that, I need to add a new mesh. So I'm going to look directly at my current mesh, then press Shift A to get a mesh, and I'm going to select a cube. I can't see anything, so I'll zoom backwards with the scroll wheel and click the see-through icon up at the top here. Next, press SX to scale the cube in the X direction, then SZ to scale it in the Z direction. Zoom in a bit, press GZ to move it in the Z direction, and position it so it overlaps the parts of your mesh you want to keep. Once you're happy with that, double check from the side to see if everything is inside. In this case, it is. I may want to orient my mesh just a little bit, so I'll select the mesh, press R, and then just rotate it a little bit straighter, G to move it, and I think that will chop off the neck perfectly fine. I can turn off see-through. The head is encased in the cube. Select the scanned mesh or the part that you want to cut, add a modifier under Generate, Boolean. We don't want to use difference or union. We want to use intersect. This will keep the part of the model that's in both sections. The object we want to use is the cube. Once it does this, we can hide the cube and you'll see that only the head remains. We need to apply this because I need to remesh this, clean it up for inclusion in other projects. Select Apply, and now the Boolean modifier is applied. Once you've done this, you'll notice at the bottom of your mesh, you have a large section that is undefined. You can simply press GZ to bring this down a little bit so you have extra space to cut off in other programs. Tab out, and then you can remesh this object so all of that is the same. Happy 3D modeling!